hello. We will make a birdhouse in three shapes together. Then we will attach 8 popsicle sticks with glue. Then after that we will make the birdhouse pattern in the first popsicle sticks. Then we will make a second pattern on the second popsicle sticks, and we'll make a third pattern on the third popsicle sticks. Then cut these 3 popsicle sticks according to the pattern. Then after that we will attach 16 popsicle sticks with glue and then make the ground with it. Then mark the back of the birdhouse ground with a scale and cut it with the help of a tool. Then we will glue the front and back part of the birdhouse first. After connecting well, then glue it from the ground. Then, after attaching the birdhouse to the ground, when in the same way, the second smaller birdhouse will be attached together and attaching to the ground. Then the third birdhouse will also be attaching in the same way. Our birdhouse is ready. Only its roof is left. Now we make to its roof. First, we will glue the roof of the middle birdhouse with 10 popsicle sticks. Then we will glue the roof of the right-hand birdhouse with 5 popsicle sticks. Then we will glue the roof of the left birdhouse. Make 4 popsicle sticks and stick them together. The birdhouse is done. Now we will paint it first. First, we will paint the middle birdhouse yellow. Paint it well, that no one is left in the corner of the middle birdhouse. Next, we will paint the right birdhouse right. Paint it well, so that there is no paint left in the corner of the right birdhouse. Then we will paint the left birdhouse orange. Paint it well, so that there is no paint left in the corner of the left birdhouse. Then we will paint brown color on the roof of the middle birdhouse, again taking care not to leave any corners. Then we will paint purple color on the roof of the right birdhouse, and then we will paint red color on the roof of the left birdhouse. Then we will paint it green color on the ground of the birdhouse and finish it off. This is done our birdhouse.
If you like on a video, please subscribe and click the bell icon.